right? And also, apparently whenever you jump or hit, yeah, so, anyway, and now I have to get through this series of puzzles, which I totally have not done at all yet. You know, I totally haven't tried this yet and failed a bunch of times, so.
Hello, Captain Clark. You look very heroic today.
See, so I did off screen because I didn't want to show you guys how awesome I was and totally how not I failed. Because I want to show you, I didn't want to show you guys, I didn't want to rub it in how awesome I was at all that stuff and show you that I totally did not fail like 50 times and ran out of recording time, so yeah. And I've told, what is this, like my first try instead of like the 20th try, but hey, you know, I'm not, who's bragging? Obviously it's not me, so. Yep. Not me. Excuse me. Thank you. What am I supposed to do? Wave? Alright. Yep. Wave.
That's right. It's me, Captain Clark.
Captain Quiz. Captain Quiz. Yeah, I have no idea what to do. Alright, I can't lie. I failed. Okay, I failed so many times you wouldn't believe it. So I decided to start off here, guys. So, hooray. Yep. So the plan is, oh yeah, you guys missed a cutscene, that's right. So the plan is that I have to go like this, sneak in, do some stuff, put the planetizer, make the, so the planetizer like uses the planet's gravity and hangs like right on top of it. I have to destroy that so the planetizer just goes floating in space, okay? And also Chairman Drek is now no longer around because freaking nefarious, whatever we call it, turned him into a sheep and put him in a pit and sent him into space. So Chairman Drek is gone now, and Captain Quark is just still there, and this guy won't leave. So I have no idea what to do. If I jump, freaking there's a sanitation thing that kills me. Okay, I can like this guy is leaving. See, this guy can't see me. But you see, I can go like that. Oh, nope. Apparently not. No. And then that happens where this sanitation field just comes down and instantly kills you. So, I have no idea what to do, honestly. I'm just gonna be stuck here for like my entire life.
Identification successful. Welcome, Captain.
It's so much more fun on the dark side, am I right?
Yeah. What is this thing? Alright, really quick, I want to test something out real quick.
Chiseled abs detected.
Oh, of course. Go. Alright.
Greetings.
What is that machine? Do I have to like wave in front of the machine? Oh! I don't want to like mispress a button. Oh god! No! What are you doing? No! No! Oh. Oh, I'm so scared. I don't want to die. It's so hard. No! No! I see. Look, I'm Captain Quark. I'm Captain Quark. Totally. No! No! Oh my god. I don't know what to do. I don't know what to do. What am I supposed to do? That makes no sense.
Chiseled abs detected.
I don't know what I'm supposed to do.
You're looking smashing today.
Vaulting Pectorals detected.
Hail, Chair and Drek.
What is on, Captain?
Why is he just sitting there? Do I have to like wave at him again? Dude, look at me. You might turn these off for me. Alright, apparently waving does nothing. Waving does absolutely nothing. So then what am I supposed to do? What am I supposed to do? I'm about to look up a playthrough because I have no idea what to do. Oh! Oh, wait, let me check something. Let me try something. Uh-huh. 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 Yeah. 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 Let me try something. Let me try something. God damn. Hey, I think I figured out the way to do it. I gotta kill them but stealthily. Alright guys, I got this. Alright, I got it. I got it now. I know what to do! Hey guys, everything's fine, you know. Just Captain Quark come through. Oh, look, some guy's dead. Alright, is he coming this way? Yes, he is. Okay, wait. Wait for it. He can't see us, but still. There we go. Get out of there! What? Oh, I have to kill him in one shot. That's what. Oh. Alright, I got this.
Lack of muscle.
Lack of muscle.
Detect. Hello, Captain Quark. You look very heroic today.
How? Wait, what?
Does blowing up
Hello.
planets make anyone else hungry?
What is up, Captain?
What's up, Captain? Oh, I feel so bad for killing you. Not really, though. Oh man, you like have a very nice day. Boop. He's down. Alright, so I have to kill him in one shot.
Bulging pectorals detected.
Did they notice us? He didn't notice me. What? He didn't notice me? What? Oh, okay, I got this. Okay, I just gotta wait for him to go back again. He didn't notice me? What is this? Skills, 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 skills. Alright, probably one more shot. Ought to kill him. Right there. Stop moving. Stay still. Stay still. Boom! Get out of there! Oh.
Sanitation field.
No! So close! Did I miss something? Did I
We
miss
must
something?
attack these warbots and keep them away from the sanitation field switch.
That's actually really smart. Alright, wait. Guys, I got a new plan.
Chiseled abs detected.
Hey guys, so apparently I just gotta keep you guys away from the sanitation field device thingy.
You're looking smashing to me.
Alright, so I know what to do. Alright, ready? Ready? Alright, here we go. Ready?
Activate the sanitation field.
What? What are you doing? What are you doing? What? Oh! Ooh. That was really close. That was super comfort. Bam, guys, I did it. That took like 14 minutes, but I did it.
Chiseled abs detected.
Greetings.
Hello, Captain Clark.
Thank you for letting me through, good friends. All of you are good friends to me. Know that? Alright, so here's the switch. Now all I gotta do is just kill all you guys, alright? So, like this. Alright, and then I gotta go like this and turn you into the sheepinator. No! I wanted to do the sheepinator! What? It's dumb. Dumb. Dumb.
Hello, Captain Quark. You look very heroic today.
Okay, turn around. Turn around. Turn around. Hello, good sir.
That's right. It's me, Captain Clark.
Hello, Captain Clark.
Okay. It's not hitting him anymore. Oh, so close! You didn't see anything, man. I don't know what you're talking about. Oh, he has his eye on me. Alright. Hello, good sir. Hello, doggies. Hello.
Planets make anyone else hungry?
Hello, Captain.
Yeah, hello. Boom! 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 No! 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 Oh, I'm so close! I was so close! It took so long for some reason.
Hello, Captain Quark. You look very heroic today.
Turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around, turn around. Hello!
Please, no autographs.
No.
What are you doing? It's me, Captain Quark. It's me, Captain Quark. It's Captain Quark! It's me, Captain Quark! Goodbye! Goodbye. You need to be, I need to turn you into a sheep. I need to turn you into a sheep! Turn you into a sheep! You think you're gonna make it in time? You think you're gonna make it? Oh, well, too bad you're not gonna make it, because you're a sheep now. Okay? Yep, you're a sheep now. Hooray, I did it! You all are sheeps now. Guys, I did it.
We should
I
find
know.
another way through.
I know how to do it now, guys. I know how to do it now. Alright guys, we're gonna do this. We're gonna do this. This is like the finale episode, guys, I'm pretty sure. Oh my god. Oh my god! Okay. Can you leave? Can you leave? Can you leave? Can you leave? Goodbye. Bye. Thank you for leaving. Thank you, my friend. I'll wait for you to like walk over there. Can you please walk over there? so I can use my sheepinator and kill you. Alright. Go! Go! Don't activate! Please! Please! Oh my god, that was way too close. No! Hey guys. Just a regular old guy here. Guys, this is way too hard.
Totals detected.
This is so hard. You wouldn't believe how hard this is. If I fall from here, I'm pretty sure I'm dead. Hello everybody, my name is Rubber Star and this is my jam. Where's the machine? Oh, it's right there. Alright, so I gotta wait till you go away, okay? Then I'll kill you from behind. Alright, so I gotta wait for you to go away. Okay, and then I'll go like this. Turn you into a sheep. Okay, go. Come on. Come on, buddy. Come on. Come on. Come on. Come on. You got this. You can do it. You can do it. Oh, you thought. Come on, buddy. You're not left out. I didn't leave you out. All right, you got this. You got this. Oh, we got another one. We got more. We got more of you guys coming. Come on. You guys can do it. I believe in you. I believe in you. I believe in you. You're sheep now. Sheep. You're sheep now, too. Sheep. Turn you into a sheep. 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 Turn you into a sheep! Ah! Oh. Oh, can you like stop coming? Sheep! Sheep! Turn you into a sheep. Oh, that was stressful right there, guys. I'm pretty stressed out right now. Cause it's like at the last minute they get turned into a sheep, and I'm like, oh, come on, get turned into a sheep, please. I'm so scared. I don't want you guys to like not be turned into a sheep. If you guys don't get turned into sheep, I'm basically dead and I have to redo all of that. I don't want to do that. See? Now I'm the smart person. I'm a smart person. Don't worry guys, I already know what's going on. Some people around here? No, not yet. Alrighty. There. I'm all ready. Let's go.
Captain Clark. You look very heroic today.
Thank you. I know this place. Alright, so let's like kill. How many of you guys are there? There's a gold bowl up there. Okay, I'm gonna wait till you like leave. Okay? When you leave, I will shoot you. I'll make you a sheep. When you get all the way over here. And I'm pretty sure that's far enough. Alright, let's go. Get turned into a sheep. You're sheep now. You're sheep now. You're sheep now, man. Excuse me. Excuse more. You're sheep now. You're sheep now. You're sheep now. You're a sheep. You're a sheep. You are a sheep too. Sheep. 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 No. Oh, sheep. No. Oh, I lost. No. Oh. Dang it.
The warbots are using a switch to activate the sanitation field. We must prevent them from getting to that switch.
You guys saw that, right?
Jawline bulging pectorals detected.
All right, you know, let's just get this over with. Okay. All right. Now wait for it. Alright, sheep, no! Sheep! Turn you into a sheep! I'm gonna turn you into a sheep, you're dead! No! I'm dead, I gave up. I just gave up. I gave up after a while because, you know, you realize that the only way to truly kill them is to, like, kill them.
Hello, Captain.
You know what that means? No.
Clark, you look very heroic today.
You know what that means? That means you gotta go over here as fast as you can, okay? And then you get out the sheep machine. Okay, you get out the sheep machine, the warmonger, and you just kill them. You kill them. Alright? All you literally have to do is kill them. They're dead now, alright? Okay, you get out the glove of doom, you get out the Glove of Doom, and you throw a bunch of them everywhere. Then you get the Warmonger, and you just kill him. Alright. I ran out of stuff. You just kill them. That's all you have to do. All you have to do is kill them. I'm out. I'm out. Oh, you little son of a. Go, go! Make him dance. Make him dance. You're too busy dancing, you son of a little gun. All right. Oh, I have a headache now, straight up. Ah. Alright, I think this is gonna be my last episode for the day. Ow. Ow, I got a headache. Oh. I don't think this is gonna be the last episode. I don't think that.
Rat bulging pectorals detected.
Are you looking, my dude? Oh, you're looking now. Hello.
You're looking smashing today.
How is it going?
I'm pretty sure you're about to die. Goodbye. Guys, let's go.
Arrows detected.
Follow me. Alright, I guess you guys are dead now. Oh! 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 Why hello there? Go, go! Go, go! Alright, 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 so... Is he dead now?
It's my off.
Bulging pectorals
Oh,
detected.
my head hurts. You know what? I'm gonna do this part next time. You know what? You know, I'll just do it. Let's just get this over with real quick. Oh, my head hurts though, like actually.
More warbots, more warbots.
Oh, come on, I'm just...
We must stop them from activating the sanitation.
Is that all of them? Oh my god. Can you just like die? Just die, please. You know what? I really am not in... Oh, my head hurts though. Oh, 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 this is her calling. Everyone, you know what? Everyone just dance, and you know what? Alright. I'm running out of time, so thank you all so much for watching. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye-bye.